No, sir. People, right now, prophecy, the Grammy nominees here. Can't enough of them not get them something there. And me say a cultural day. True, and I be a cultural artist me I talk to today. So if you not have no culture in you, nobody watch me show.
True.
Prophecy, what's going on?
Blacker, watch a link here, your link TV. Well, I said enough respect, you don't know prophecy in your house.
Yeah,
positive
man.
And profitable.
Every time, man.
Sabbatical bless up to the world, you understand me? Still a prophecy.
Someone know, sincere Grammy nominee.
Yeah.
What's going on?
We are holy for something for we are Grammy, you know.
Yeah.
You understand me? Yeah, man.
Yeah,
We
man.
are holy for something. We are sing conscious music, so it reach a volume. You
Yeah.
understand me? The world accept it, you understand me? It has been looked at in a very good status, you understand me?
Yeah, man, that's great, man.
Hence it bring us to the Grammy. So we just a record and we are do more music, you understand? We are do cultural events. We are mobilize and motivate the community just to see me, understand me? Looking
Love
forward
that.
to go overseas now and
Yes.
tour and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
man,
So
and
that's
I
it.
want to get that. You say that Grammy,
Yeah.
even if you don't win it, I need the money.
Yeah, everything.
Me like it. Me like it.
Yeah, man, still
So,
yeah.
what's the latest single you have out now?
Well, we have only a single, me have Solid Rock, me have Can't Keep Still, you understand?
Yeah.
Me have Don't Go Say That Thing, We Could Never Make It Happen. Me have a new thing for drop next week, named How Could I? You
Yeah.
understand? Me have so much songs out there. Me have a song with me on stream.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand? Me feel good. And I guess if me over the years still blacker.
Yeah.
We are doing videos, but right now reach a different magnitude in our lives. So right now we are set up a different camera crew, because we are doing one thing too, you know.
Great.
Yeah,
That's great.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
so we have
that's
one
great.
entity set
Keep up your production with
yeah.
him.
So when you do a song, we can video it and
Yeah,
whatever,
man, the
whatever.
production
Good
thing,
graphics,
man.
you
Yeah, man.
understand
Yeah,
me? So
man. Yeah, man. Great things.
said and done, you know, we just have put in place every little thing for really start the new version of Prophecy right now.
No,
because
yeah, the
thing
man
done
say
up
no version.
Yes,
and
sir.
that's great. So me know say right now a whole heap of inspiration I go on, whole heap of idea, whole heap of things now,
Always, yeah.
because me know you have to say to yourself, you know. Me know you have to say to people. Then if him never go, me not say him not go hard, but let's face reality. If him never go so hard, that's how if say the whole world know about him, and the man nominee for Grammy.
Yeah.
That alone make him say, me I go harder.
Yeah.
That's why I'm come visit Black Earth.
Black Earth. and link up
And
on
link
Links
up and link TV.
So
Right.
that's- yeah.
So that's great. That's great, and me love that. So who was your icon when you go?
Well, you know, from go culturally, we have to really talk about the forefathers. You know, big up Black History Month, you just come out there. Big up Dennis Brown, big up Bob Marley, and all of the people who really steadfast and stand with the music. Big up the Selector, big up Links TV, because the I them initially is one of the people, or the entity who really take the music and carry it beyond Jamaica shows, where people from outside and around the world can really enjoy and love this music. You
I love
understand me?
that.
So, and I mentor start from all of the elders in it, the Burning Spear, and the Bob Marley, and the Peter Tosh, and the Bunny Wheeler, and you understand me?
Yeah, man.
So I just them influence there, but nowadays the Buju one, you know, the highway and
You don't know the word
all
thing.
the youth them we are born on
Yeah,
the place,
man.
man, and I set the pace.
So any show come up, the people can come say Prophecy. Me see him on Black Earth show, so me I go watch him and perform.
Well, our next show right now is Dennis Brown show downtown that was put off.
Yeah.
Next 2 weeks in this month is coming up.
All right, so that's great.
Definitely, I'm supposed to be left tomorrow. We're supposed to be leaving out of Jamaica to visit Links Award in New York.
You see that?
You understand me? To
All
that
right,
performance
don't
as
talk,
well.
don't
And a
talk.
whole heap of thing in the pipeline. You
Whoa.
understand me? A whole heap
So
of thing in the
here,
pipeline.
you see all I want to do one.
Yeah.
I told them I know the real Prophecy.
So
the
that's-
man
yeah.
that nominee for the Grammy.
For the
So watch out.
Grammy.
Super Day. Cultural day to the door.
Selassie.
So drop two cultural tune
So
and
we
then
are
them
say
come
Bunny
back
down
and
Blacker?
Prophecy. Not yet. Drop it first. Drop two cultural tune. Super T.
two
Drop the thing.
cultural tune.
Mad.
Well, and I continue to greet you all in the name of you made all things possible. Without him, all things are impossible. And he was created mankind in his own image and likeness to have dominion over all things. Links TV. You in him is life and life is he. And he was that prophecy rise to be all the breaking of the man and the setting of the sun, man. Most High, Joe. Last year, prophecy. Well, I have seen what Jah has done for man. Yes, and in return, look what man has done to creation. But I said if Jah was just like man, yes, man, then don't ask I man, so's your own calculation. Links TV has said too little love in this world, mankind. And I said too many war will only complicate the time. Yes, I said too little love in this world, mankind. And I said too many war will only separate mankind. And don't come tell I that you try and I crying when you lie. And don't come tell I that you sorry when you fail mankind. And don't come tell I that you try and I crying when you lie. Don't bother tell I that you sorry when you fail mankind. I listen and see I. Yes, I see signs of the time is upon man. A prophecy is gonna fulfill on you. And I see some people as the devil's advocate. Oh, thinking them rich, but them not get there yet. Yes, I said too little love in this world, mankind. Last year, I'm feeling. Watching a new tune. Then fire go burn. Table got to turn. Babylon, you bet and learn. I signed up my people concerned. Things rough there out the street. Gangsta, I'm up to them teeth. Got to find a solution. Nah, keep still. Say we nah linger, that don't fit the bill. No, can't keep still. Say we nah stop revolute Babylon until. No, Ellings. The chaka down a yard, there is no smile up on no face. I take a look on the poor and afflicted, no food, no in a them place. Links the youth, them young and talented, a business them a penetrate. And to the pressure we a feel it and blow up we go. So we not keep still. Say we not linger, that don't fit the bill. No, can't keep still. Say we not stop revolute Babylon until. No, cause fire go burn. Table got to turn. Babylon, you better learn. I sight up the youths, them concern. Things rough there out the street. Youngster, I'm up to them teeth. Got to find a solution. Last year, enjoying life among men. Can you understand? Links TV, enjoying life among men. I say tell Kingston that they have already killed some, so war and crime for cease. Oh yes. Hey, Links pump the sound at church and stay to ice and banner of peace will. To all them leaders of the world to exercise justice, yes. Cause I don't wanna see my innocent people get caught in the street. I swear on Diana that I'll find a way to enlighten my people so they can make it through their day. I swear on Diana that I'll find a way to enlighten my people so they can make it through their day. Cause I don't want to see nobody bags, body bags, nobody bags, nobody bags, yeah.
Oh, sir. Prophecy. Grammy nominee.
Blacker.
Nobody hyper.
Celestia.
No, I like it. I want to know the prophet because the people that know my bad. Hey, then suppose somebody want to keep a show. As I'm telling you, just give a number. When them can call and book your car, no, sir.
And I?
Yeah?
Yeah, man, let's go Prophecy Reggae Far I. Prophecy Reggae FARI at gmail.com.
See it?
Or you go FrettyWow at yahoo.com.
Say it again.
Sleep. Prophecy Reggae Far Eye.
Yeah.
At gmail.com.
Yeah.
Or frettywow@yahoo.com.
No, but like the cultural there, people wanna get sense of love. No wanna get prophecy. No wanna get mama, big mama from Germany. And I get super Tierra Jack the cultural. Sense love. Tell the whole world which video is the #1 video on Blacker Top 20 Video Countdown Show.
Blacker Top 20 Video Countdown, the hottest video countdown
in
the world.
Yeah.
The #1 video is the God medley.
Yeah, with Wade Marshall and the whole of the mad. The #1 video in the country. People, remember Portmore Award, you know, the 13th of April, you know, right over Park Plaza, you know, people. The club name again?
Club Entice.
All right. So right now, he's a nominee for the best new upcoming artist. So tell them the number for vote for you.
The number is, vote for Jaja and Ashia, best upcoming artist, 779-6340. And that's 779-6340. Jaja and Ashia, best upcoming artist, Portmore Dancehall Awards, April 13th at Club Entice. Member.
I remember that said number on the vote for Blacker for Portmore DJ of the Year Award. Mad!